Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my channel Crochet Best. In today, I will show you a very beautiful video for your babies. In this video, you will see a very beautiful crochet baby playmat. This mat is very colorful, soft material in mat crochet work. A crocheted baby playmat is a thoughtful gift for new parents. Soft, colorful, and elegant mat. This mat is made of wool thread and cotton soft thread. It's so beautiful. You can wash easily this mat. This mat is machine washable easily. Crochet mat are easy to clean. You can customize the mat with baby name. Crocheted play mat make thoughtful gift for new parents. This mat is very lightweight. You can carry easily and store. It's so beautiful. I hope you like this video. You can make easily at home. You can use my ideas, your business and your work. You can use my designs and color schemes. If you like my video, please share my videos with your friends and relatives, and please comment in comment box. Your comment is very important for me. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.